Hi and welcome to a new video. I don't know for you guys, but I never had a nice and expensive gaming keyboard. I was always sticking around with the cheapest keyboard I can find. Even the last keyboard I had is around £3 or $4, but I was using it for around a year or two. I was looking for a replacement, but the keyboard what I was looking for is not really available in the UK. It is the Redragon Kumara K552. I found a good deal on it, so I bought it, and this is a short review of that keyboard. So this is my first mechanical keyboard. The Redragon Kumara K552 features custom mechanical switches. It is a cherry green equivalent. It has red LED lighting. It is a 10 keyless design and it is quite heavy. Its weight 818 grams. It is made from aluminium and ABS plastic. It has 4 rubber feet, and thanks to that and its weight, it sticks very nicely to the table. It's not moving around while in use. The switches are very responsive and they are not too hard and not too soft to be clicked. It's somewhere on the middle. It is also splash proof, but I didn't really wanted to try that out. Sound wise, they're quite clicky. Clicky? Let's say clicky. And this is an audio test so you can hear how they sound. The camera is about 30 to 40 centimeters away from the keyboard. The keyboard has 2 foldable legs so you can adjust the tilt, and also the foldable legs has rubber on it. The keyboard is quite thick. I found some difficulties when I was using it. You have to give some time to get used to it. After like a half-hour gameplay, I had some pain in my wrist. Even my previous keyboard and my keyboard on the Mac is very slim and I'm used to those kind of keyboards. So probably by time I'm gonna get used to this one as well. The LED lights can be turned off, turned on, or can have this breathing effect. Also the lights have 8 different brightness levels. So if you are working in a dark room, you can adjust the light for your needs. It is a very nice keyboard for the price. I think it's one of the best in the price range. It costs around $35 or a bit more here in the UK. So that will be the quick review of this keyboard. Thanks for watching, leave a like if you liked it or a dislike if you didn't, subscribe and see you in the next one.